Charlier, president of Central Lakes College. Every day, AgCentric drives innovation across Minnesota, connecting classrooms with industry, empowering educators, and opening new doors for students to explore high-demand agricultural careers. Their commitment not only strengthens our college, but fuels the future of Minnesota agriculture. This past year brought major momentum. One of the most significant accomplishments was securing National Science Foundation funding to expand robotics and automation in agriculture classrooms. Through a partnership with Case for Learning, AgCentric helped launch the Agricultural Robotics and Automation Technologies Project. This provides teachers with new curriculum, hands-on training, and the materials needed to introduce advanced robotics concepts to students. AgCentric also continues to serve rural communities through its long-standing commitment to supporting farmers' mental health. In partnership with Region 5 Development Commission, the center helped bring on 2 new rural mental health specialists, ensuring our farmers continue to receive vital, accessible support. Another impactful collaboration is the on-farm communications training held at CLC's Ag and Energy Center.
But this gives you an idea. The reason that the seed is colored like
that. For
the
past 4 years, AgCentric has coordinated this immersive experience for NRCS and SWCD staff. This strengthens conservation communication and deepens relationships between agencies and producers. This year brought welcome news on the water and soil stewardship front. The RCPP irrigation program has been renewed with $11 million in new funding to advance innovative irrigation practices in central Minnesota. This investment will help producers adopt efficient, sustainable irrigation technologies that support responsible water use and strengthen long-term agricultural resilience in our region. All of this work, technology in the classroom, mental health support, conservation training, and water-smart innovation demonstrate the value of AgCentric's leadership and the strength of our partnership. Together, we're building a resilient agriculture future for our students, our communities, and the entire state of Minnesota. Thank you for your support of AgCentric and Central Lakes College. We look forward to another year of innovation, collaboration, and growth.